Time now, race number 11. And the race is on. Apple Splash from the outside and moving up by the rail is now showing. And rising up is Gen Spirit. Gen Spirit now showing Elgin. And moving up by the rail is Pivotal. Princess Erica. Presidential is racing 6 from the outside. 7 Apple Splash. Cat Maiden on the inside. Shifty Hoy Sobrana Raymond Star. An executive order is running at the tail of the field. Gen Spirit 4A by a length and a half, followed by now showing Elgin is racing from the outside. Presidential Apple Splash rushing up by the Pivotal Princess Erica. Rounding the far turn, it's now showing by some 2 legs. Elgin running in second. Gen Spirit. Apple Splash by the Pivotal as they swing for home. Number 3 now showing by some 2 lengths. Elgin is running in second. Apple Splash and nearing the finish line. Now showing Elgin Cat May. Hoy, sobra na. And nearing the finish line, now showing Elgin is on the outside. It's now Elgin, and finally Elgin. Now showing Hoy, sobra na, Cat May, and Apple Splash for your Fantafecta.
For a while, I thought makaka